Hello everyone, my name is Roman Kornev and you are on the channel about professional trading. Right now we will discuss how you can profit from the fall of the dollar and the rise of gold. Which economic news will lead to this opportunity happening this week. And also I will show my reversal points directly on the chart in the MetaTrader platform. If you are just starting to learn about the financial market or already have experience but are not satisfied with the results, be sure to subscribe to my channel. There will be a link to my YouTube channel in the description link. We will also discuss the currency pair that is best for earning with my trading robot. So, let's begin. Before we discuss the news that will lead to the fall of the dollar or the rise of gold, let's look at the chart from a technical analysis perspective. What are the support and resistance lines here that could lead to a rise in gold even without news? So I have marked two support lines. These are the levels 29.56 and 29.29. If the price reaches these levels, there will be a turning point for buying, and you can buy to profit from the rise. You can also buy from the second support line and profit from the rise. How to do this? Open a brokerage account via the link in the description. Then download the terminal and click the buy button. At the moment when the price is at the turning point and the price rises, you earn. If you expect the price to decrease, then you need to click the sell button, sell gold, and profit from the decline. Now let's discuss the news that could lead to a rise in gold. If you already have experience trading gold and know how to use the economic calendar, then you surely know that. In the economic calendar, there are practically no news items that affect the rise or in general gold. Nevertheless, there is news that can influence this, and I will tell you about it right now. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. We all know that the main currency pair traded with gold is gold to the US dollar. This means that if there is strong news about the dollar, it can also lead to movement in gold. Let's see what news is coming this week. Look, on Thursday, March 27th, there will be news. The gross domestic product of the USA, and the previous value was. And it is forecasted. What does this mean for us as traders? This means that if the data comes out worse than forecasted, it will be bad news for the USA. And the dollar is likely to drop significantly at the time of the news release, and if the dollar drops, then gold, of course, will rise. Let's look at the chart to see the best moment to buy gold at the time of the news release. Look, if the gold quotes at the time of the news release, it will be near the line of support. This would mean that both the fundamental data could lead to a rise in gold and technical analysis could lead. Indicates that gold will also rise. Therefore, if the price is near the support line at the time of the news release, this will doubly strengthen the signal for a rise in gold, and here we are more likely to profit. Therefore, be sure to set an alert. Make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Because 30 minutes before the news release, I notify everyone about such important news, and we earn together. So to not miss out, just be subscribed to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Also, look, recently gold surpassed the historical maximum of $3,000 per troy ounce. And most likely it will update this maximum in the near future. But keep in mind that if at the moment of the important news release, about the dollar, the price is around this level, it's better not to buy or sell here, because technical analysis will suggest that gold will fall, while fundamental data, that is, the news, will indicate that gold will rise. Therefore, it's better to wait here to see what happens with the price and then make a decision based on other turning points. By the way, if you don't want to search for turning points yourself and want to save time on this, then subscribe. To my VIP channel, I have a VIP channel. Message me on Telegram and I'll tell you how to get a subscription to it, but also by being a partner of the company and a conscious marketer. If you are a client of the market or want to become one, you can get my trading course. The basic course for beginners is completely free. Message me via the link in the description and I'll explain how to do it. Now let's look at more currency pairs. The same situation with the euro dollar. Look, here too the euro is slowly starting to go down. I talked about this in my previous episode. The price hasn't reached this level yet, so I maintain its relevance. In the area of the quotes, there is a reversal point from which you can buy and profit from the rise as soon as the price approaches this level. Also, if the price is near this level at the time of a news release, it will also have good potential for the euro to rise. In short, gold and the euro will rise equally, more with a weak dollar. So it doesn't matter here which asset to trade. The only thing is that gold is usually stronger. It jumps, so to speak, with more volatility. So if you like roller coasters, then trade gold. If you want calm trading, it's better to choose the euro dollar. Now let's look at the currency pair euro pound here. First of all, I want to say that This currency pair is currently in a slightly downward sideways trend. You see good correction, calm movement, meaning overall it moves, not too strongly, not too quickly. We should be able to measure the range of volatility. Look, 975 points, meaning the volatility range is less than 1,000 points. This is good for my trading robot. If you are already trading with my robot, then run it in buy and sell mode simultaneously and see how it earns for you. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, contact me via the link. In the description on Telegram, I will explain how to get it for free. The next currency pair I would like to consider is the Australian dollar, and it is currently in a downtrend. Look, recently the price touched the support line and bounced off it. And now the price intends to again break through this line. Most likely this will happen. Perhaps at this point, the price will rebound. For those who like scalping, you can here buy and profit from the rise. But this is a short-term rise. It will be. Most likely the price will break through the line further. If this happens, then an interesting moment will begin here. A mirror resistance line will form here, right in the area of the quotes. And as soon as the price returns back, you can sell and profit from the decline. In general, you have probably heard such a saying. Trend is your friend. This means that it is better to sell in a downtrend. Here we have a downtrend, and we are looking for a reversal point to sell. Therefore, it is best to sell here and for profit from the decline. These are the reversal points for this week. If you want to get more reversal points, then subscribe to my YouTube channel via the link in the description of this video. I wish you all a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Goodbye, everyone.